Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Privy on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next, in a new tab, head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, start typing for Privy and search for it. And we're just going to install this app. Grant access permissions by clicking on install. So just go through the on-screen processes. And the last step is confirm your business details. Just add in your business name and phone number. But in my case, I'm just going to skip this part. So from here, just proceed by clicking on continue. Once again, confirm your account details, add in a contact email, and proceed by clicking on continue. Tell more about the industry of your store, then proceed. You will be asked, are you using an email or SMS marketing tool? No, if not, and choose from the followings if yes. Then proceed. Next is select how many contacts do you have. So you can use this bar depending on the number. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Next, how do you want to get started with Privy? So just choose your main goal in starting out with Privy. You can also choose multiple options, then proceed. And lastly, you will be asked how did you hear about Privy? So just type in the channel or you can skip this part and head over to Let's Get Started. And just by that, you will be headed to your Privy dashboard and you can start using Privy. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!